Okay, here's the deal. I am going to just do a quick example. It's going to be an SSH connection from one system in my home lab to another. Very briefly, I'll show you the devices. First is this tablet. It's running on Zorin OS. You can see the terminal, and there's the login for this one. Second, this is my bedside terminal, and it is running on Ultramarine. Okay, and this is the system that I'll be logging into. Now, for this to work and for me to log into the Ultramarine system, I am going to have to log in as root here. So we're just going to type in su, then we're going to put in the password. Okay, then hit enter, and now I'm logged in as root. So that's the first part. Now we are just going to go and connect via SSH. Not shh, but SSH. Okay, we got that part in. So it's going to be SSH, and then it's going to be, please forgive the slow typing. Yes. A local IP address, and here we go. And yes. All right, and I'm in. And if I need to know, there we go. And that's pretty much it. So I kept it short and sweet. Hope it's useful for anybody that needs an example.